Days I meet you, you're strangely full of rain, like passing through a tunnel of water. It makes me happy every time I love you. It feels like love isn't enough. Every time I take you out, the rain envelops us. Your name is about as common as gentleness, but when I call it, it's wonderful, so wonderful. I realize it's a beautiful name. Am I loving you well? Am I able to love you? Better than anyone, better than anyone. Tonight I'm inviting you, so I looked up at the sky. The beginning is always rain, avoiding the stars, embracing each other, enough to talk about your scenery. Even though the parts of love don't all match, we became one. Are you really loved?